So this will be a brief screencast to wrap up about amphibians and their decline. Amphibians include salamanders and frogs, and typically their eggs are laid in water or on the surface of the water, and the larvae must live in water and they breathe through gills during that period of time. Then they develop lungs, and these amphibians can then live on land. So, a second issue that occurs. There are two issues, I guess, with amphibians. First is that their life cycle includes time in the water and time on land, and therefore any toxins or other adverse conditions, habitat loss, etc., that occurs either on land or in water, both can affect the amphibian. Secondly, the amphibians develop a secondary respiratory system, a secondary way to breathe, and that is to breathe from their skin in addition to the lungs. And because of that, they again are more exposed to potential issues such as pollution. So, amphibians are considered indicators of the health of ecosystems because they are much more sensitive and their decline is happening very rapidly right now. So next screencast, we'll move on to the questions that are involved on your open response. So I will click here and end this.